Alright, well, first project, well, it's not really a project, but it's something I'm going to start on maybe later on. This is the kit you get off of the Jungle website, and what is it, 70 lights. Anyway, it's a real good kit. It'll light up when you turn your blinkers on and hit your brake lights. But you can also, I bought 2 kits, plus you can always go back and add. You get, I think there's 4 wires in here and 4 extensions, or maybe 2 wires. So, you know, and then a longer extension because you need them when you go all the way to the back or all the way to the front. So that might be a project we start on later. Yeah. First thing is not really a project. I got some more cleaning stuff. We always clean. That's about as fun as watching somebody stain wood. I'm going to start with a fix my highway pay. If you watch the videos when we installed them, it needs to, I guess, kind of come up some a little bit. So let's hope we don't break it or strip it out. Which if I do, I got another one I can fix it with. Alright, see how good this works? I need to take this down. Pull my battery off. See how good tooth. I tried it the new Kentucky. We'll see if it'll work. Wrist saver, 3/8 drive, maybe. Yeah. So move over to the bike now. So righty tighty. So let's see if we can't use this to. That go the wrong way. Gee. Uh-oh. Too much. Dang it. That thing took off with me. You can't put it. Isn't that too much? Well, that sucker's got some torque to it. I could go riding today, but I don't have nowhere to go. I like that. That's much better. Ooh, good hand curve. Alright, that'll work. Enough of that. Now, let's move on to another project. Now watch you take, ooh, that you can pull that off, turn that around, lock that so don't, put it back up there. Now I'll take this and put it back in its location with all my other torques and stuff. Now what? Up the ladder we go. Seems like I just put these up here the other day ago, 2 days ago. So, yeah, we're going to do a military theme Sissybar for a veteran. Wanted me to do it. He's been begging and crying, and I told him I didn't really want to, but he just won't take no for an answer. He's 33. He said he wants about the same size. Alright. So 33, 36. I need 6 foot. Oh, you're looking at. To make a 33, it'd be plus or minus Sissybar, I need 6 foot long rod, and then you bend it in half, so you get 36, and then it ends up when you, yeah, that's what he wants, and it's the military theme, kind of. I already been working on it. We'll see how that works. This is my plan, and hope it works. We'll see when. Can see how this is centered, but this is moved over some, so we'll have to move it around maybe. We'll see. We'll cross that. And it's very flimsy. I mean, that's just all metal going up there. Anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. All right. 6 foot. All right, I got that in my vise. Got it marked at 72 inches, which is 6 feet. I get to use my other tool, my cordless bandsaw. Hee. All right. So. Wow, like butter. Got that, now we gotta bend it. Yeah. So when we bend it, we wanna mark it out. I do, right there, you think half of a 6 foot, 72 inches is what? 36 inches. Yep. So who out here? True foot. That's the center. That's the center. True foot right there. All right. So when we heat it up and bend it around, it'll be set. And to do that, I might move outside. Maybe I can bend it in here. I think I can. I think I can. To bend it. I thought it was going to fall on me. This thingy, this is my bending device. So I put this in here. Alright, we fixing to play with fire. Alright folks, here we go. Let's kick the tire and light the fire. We ain't gonna kick no tires. But it is a good recommendation to check your tire pressure at least once a month on your motor scooter. So get some settling going. You want to turn your settling on first. We'll get the pop. That's just pure settling. And now we're gonna add some O2. Now we cook it with gas. I know I didn't hang around to finish it all, but I mean to get it bent, but it's bent, and yeah, so let's let it cool off, and then I gotta do some more cutting to fix it to that piece. Yeah, fun. Hey, I was I'll tell you, when we got back to Lucille back and all, and I showed you what I've been up to, and I said something didn't go, a picture didn't go. Well, John Dory liked to fish, but he's from Fear Walking Dead, and not The Walking Dead. So that's the only Fear one I got. And 10 where I caught it. So here's what we got. I got that cut down, a bar across the middle, same way I did this. But see, I cut that piece right here out, which I may or may not do on this one. And then I put in the structure comes from the spider web. So yeah. So we got that bent. I got to cut the legs so it'll match up with that, and then we welded it together. So let me do that. We're recording. So first thing I do is make these the same size. Like butter. Yeah, I really like this saw. Yeah, it's come in handy. I wish I'd done it a long time ago. Get one. It makes a cleaner cut than it's quicker than an angle grinder with a cutoff wheel, and it's cleaner than a liquid torch cutter device. Yeah, whatever. Well, I just love the way I forget to push the button. Anyway, Lucille's back to her road glide. I got it on there. There it is. Now I just got to weld it up, clean it up, put the military thingy cross, fallen soldier cross. I forget the official name, and ship it out. So let's get the welding. Hello. Projects. At least I got stuff to do, right? Well, I gotta put the tour back on Lucille. I'm tired, and we'll go get me some ama. That's Cherokee for water. But you can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we'll catch you later, Gator.